Welcome to Spirit Shack. Just want to show you our video stabilizer rig. So basically what this is for holding a camera. So you can either walk around with it, at your side, or you can hold it like that. So basically it's got an adjustable 1/4-inch screw, which just about all cameras have. I know GoPros don't have it on the actual camera, but a lot of the holders that come with the GoPro do have it on, so you can attach a GoPro to this. You can attach most of your camera, Canon, Sony cameras to it. The other good thing about it, it's got 3 hot shoe mounts, so 1 on the top, 2 on the sides. So if you wanted to add a microphone on one side, or 2 lights or 1 light, you can do. So this can hold your camera plus your microphone plus a light, and you can just hold it with one hand, whichever way you want. So if you like one of these, I'll leave it in the video description, and thanks for watching.